My name is T. Jaypriya, 3rd BA History, St. Mary's College, Autonomous Thuthukudi. My topic is anti-Hindi agitation. Introduction. Brief review of the anti-Hindi agitation mentions the period of occurred in Tamil Nadu in 1960 years. Highlight its importance is the concept of language politics in India. Background of the agitation. Most independence, the Indian government proposed to make Hindi the sole official language. States, especially Tamil Nadu, were opposed to this decision due to the legislative discovery in India. Reasons for the anti-Hindi agitation. Legislative pride. People of Tamil Nadu wanted to protect their mother tongue Tamil. Fear of displacement. There was the concept that Hindi would replace regional language in education, administration and cultural. Key events of the agitation. 1948, the Indian government declared to conflict with English as a official language for 15 years before splitting to Hindi. 1960, the central government did it to make Hindi official language. 1965, the movement as a official switch to Hindi accounts leading whispered products. Role of key figures. Periyar E.V. Ramasamy, leader of the Dravida Munnettram, who strongly opposed the imposition of Hindi. M. Karunanidhi, leader of DMK, played the vital role against Hindi. C. N. Annadurai, prominent singer who led the Dravida Munnetra Kalagam during the time of agitation. Impact of the anti-Hindi agitation. Policy changes. The Indian government did it continue using the English as official language alongside Hindi. Political difference. DMK's rise to power in Tamil Nadu was in part to strong stand against Hindi imposition. Conquest of legacy. Strengthening of regional identity. The agitation helped solidify the regional identity in Tamil Nadu and other non-Hindi speaking states. Anti-Hindi state. The agitation long-time statement of opposition Hindi opposed southern state, particularly in Tamil Nadu. Long-term effect. The agitation created long-term statement Tamil Nadu and other regional against the imposition of Hindi. Conclusion. Anti-Hindi agitation was a defining movement in India political history, very important language spreading regional identity. The movement's success showed the power of non-Hindi regional in national history. Thank you.